Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download LifeAfter game on your iOS device. So let's go ahead and get it right away. Open your App Store and then also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Go to the search box next and type in LifeAfter. In the search result, look for this application from NetEase Games and tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application. LifeAfter is an open-world mobile zombie survival game developed by NetEase Game. Wait for the application to download and install, which might take a couple of minutes, and then you will be able to play the game on your iOS device quickly and easily. So that is how you can easily download LifeAfter on your iOS device within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.